how to animate line art using mobile for free. So hello guys, in this quick free video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy for that. Click on Google Chrome. Now open new tab. Here you guys in search for animation through drawing. Once we search for that, simply click on that first website. The website name was Animated Drawings Meta. Once we click here, click on Try It Now. Now accept it. Now here upload. We will upload our line art. For example, this is my line art. We will wait here and click on next. It will start scanning, so wait for some seconds. Again, we will click on next. Now, for 4 seconds, we will wait. Here we will see next, so click on next. Now we will wait again for some seconds. Now click again on next. And here we go. Here we still see add animation, like dance, funny, jumping, walking. So select your favorite animation. For example, I want to add dance. So let's some funny dance, like that one. And let's see how it done. Here we go. Our line art was dancing. You guys can add any animation, like if you were line art was perfect. The animation will be perfect. Let's like that one. Thanks for watching.